Tinapos na ng Philippine Women's National Football Team ang kanilang kampanya sa Asian Football Confederation Women's Olympic Qualifying Tournament sa isang panalo kontra Iran nitong Miyerkules. Si Daryl Oclares ng PTV Sports sa detalye.
Wagi ang Philippine Women's National Football Team sa kanilang huling laro sa Asian Football Confederation Women's Olympic Qualifying Tournament matapos nilang padapain ng Iran 1-0 nitong Miyerkules sa HBF Park sa Perth, Australia. Nagmula kay Team Captain Tanay Anes ang tanging goal ng Pilipinas na kanyang nakuha sa 19 na minuto ng laro. Target pa ng kupunan na makapukol ng mas maraming goal pero mas matinding depensa ang inilatag ng Iran sa second half.
I think that we did enough to get the result. They defended really well. They actually probably attacked more in this game than they did in the first two, which created some opportunities, but in the end we didn't concede either.
Sa kabila man ng kanilang panalo, hindi pa rin makakaabante ang Pilipinas sa third round ng Olympic Qualifying Tournament dahil Uzbekistan ang itinanghal bilang best second placer. Bagamat parehong may 6 points, lamang pa rin ang Uzbekistan na may +2 goal differential kumpara sa -4 ng Pilipinas. Kinapos man sa kanilang pangarap ng mga paglaro sa Paris 2024 Olympics, sinisigurado naman ni Torcaso na mas magiging handa ang women's team sa mga susunod pang torneo.
Just having players probably much more prepared and ready for competition is going to be something that we really focus on, and we just I guess roll with the punches and make sure that we're back and ready for the next competition that's there.
Makakasama ng Uzbekistan ang Japan, Australia at North Korea sa third round na magsisimula sa Pebrero para tukuyin kung sino ang magiging kinatawan ng Asia sa Paris Olympics. Daryl Oclares para sa Bayan.